Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're exploring the best Dyson Cyclone V10 parts, focusing on the direct drive cleaner head turbine floor tool in gray and purple. If you're a Dyson fan or looking for a powerful vacuum cleaner that offers versatility and efficiency, you're in for a treat. The Dyson V10 Cyclone is renowned for its exceptional cleaning power, and the direct drive cleaner head is a standout feature. Designed to tackle all floor types, it effortlessly transitions from carpets to hard floors. With its powerful suction and direct drive technology, it drives bristles deep into the carpet, capturing dust and debris that traditional vacuums often miss. This cleaner head is a genuine Dyson part, identified by the model number 967483-04, ensuring you get the best performance tailored for your V10. It fits various models, including the V10 Absolute, V10 Animal, and V10 Total Clean. This compatibility means you can upgrade your existing setup without needing to purchase a whole new unit. Let's talk about some key features. The direct drive cleaner head includes a unique turbine design that maximizes airflow, increasing suction power while minimizing battery drain. With this feature, you'll enjoy a longer cleaning session without interruption. Plus, it's designed to be easy to install, just click and go. Users will appreciate its maneuverability, making it easy to navigate around furniture in tight spaces. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, this cleaner head adapts to each surface effortlessly. It's especially beneficial for homes with pets, as it picks up fur and dander with ease. The effectiveness on all surfaces makes it a versatile tool in your cleaning arsenal, allowing you to achieve a spotless home without the hassle of multiple cleaning devices. In conclusion, the Dyson V10 Direct Drive Cleaner Head is an essential accessory for anyone looking to enhance their cleaning experience. Its powerful suction, ease of use, and adaptability make it the best choice among Dyson Cyclone V10 parts. If you're interested in improving your vacuuming efficiency, this cleaner head is a smart investment. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know your experiences with Dyson products. Until next time, keep your home clean and your life simple.